Dr. Fred Matiang'I ni gagikire bikoro bigosambwa chiskuru ekyo kirire chiskuru wetania emerongene gwesie kwa asegeka kaukwana ni Koboria Eserekari Kobwatoka Chibesa gochia chiskuru gotegerera ikirero kya banene ase chiskuru nabo igogochora omutenelio kora obonchereria gochia ase omorobelio OCBA.
When my colleague talked about the work we are doing in the Ministry of Education, it is also service to God, honesty and commitment to the service of our country. Saa hii nikiongea hapa mbele ya kanisa, over 40 schools are closed, unrest and so on. Probably by the time I finish my speech, another one will have been closed. It's true. 2 others will have been closed. By tonight, another 10 or so. Ukiangalia vile dunia iko, and Your Excellency the Deputy Governor and all my friends who are supportive of this administration, tunasema with tremendous respect. Kasi imekuwa ngumu, you can see it. Maana gani wananchi? Imekuwa because we have never had the kind of crisis in the education sector that we have now. Na wale tumekuwa huko, I can give you proposals with one of my eyes closed. One, stop wastage, put money in the schools, so that school principals have money so that they can run the schools. They can't run the schools on saliva. They need money. The capitation should go to schools. That is a straightforward matter. Number 2, I would tell them, appoint a principal secretary, curriculum reform, because that is a special thing we are now implementing seriously. Listen to the principals, listen to parents, and most importantly, I say this from church, listen to church leaders. In Kenya, if the church or the religious communities did not invest in education, we will not have the institutions we have. Methodist nyinyi kwanza ndio example. The investment you have made in the education sector, on a university and so on, you should be listened to, and so on and so on. So mimi nawaomba wenzangu tuangalie hiyo.